Hi, friends! Let's learn and explore! Wow! Rainbow Travel Festival! This place is amazing! Oh no! The golden ticket disappeared!
Please find 6 travel stamps.
We'll help! This is a car!
Cars travel on roads.
We found the first travel stamp! This is a bus!
I carry many passengers.
We found another stamp! We found another stamp! Hooray! This is a train!
I travel on railway tracks.
The train can move now!
Thank you!
This is an airplane!
I fly in the sky.
We found another stamp! Wow! Great job! This is a helicopter!
I can fly almost anywhere.
This is a boat!
I travel on water.
We're almost done! We found all 6 travel stamps! Hooray! The golden ticket is back! We did it! Yeah! The festival is saved! What a great adventure! Today we learned about transportation. Airplanes, helicopters, and boats. See you next adventure. Bye, friends!